This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, and if you want to replace the front headlight, you need to know this light bulb is for the low and high beam. So there is one bulb and it's H13 type of bulb, and on this side nothing prevents you from just taking this bulb out, but from this side you will need to either have some issues with taking it out, or there is a trick that you can do. You can just pull this filler neck up and it will just do like that. So put it here and now you have a better access to the light bulb. But what you need to do, you may actually start with this connector and take it out, but you may actually use this connector. When you rotate it a little bit, here are some plastic things that will help you. So you take out the bulb. Be careful, don't touch this glass surface with your fingers, because otherwise the bulb may be burned very quickly. If you touch it with your hand, with your fingers, wipe it clean with a soft tissue, and then you just pull out this H13 bulb and insert the new one in its place. So when you install it, just put it back. I don't know, it's quite easy, I believe. So you just insert it back in the place where it was sitting, and then rotate it clockwise to fixate. If you want to do like the manual says, it's also possible. You will need to unlock this connector. Here is how you do that. It's very hard to show because no place here. So you need to first unhook this white lock, maybe it's different color, and then just wiggle out the connector. I will not do this because the connectors are quite shabby in this car. I don't want to damage anything. So basically the best thing to do is to use the scenario I showed you. And of course don't forget to put this filler neck back in its place. Here is the plastic thing that will guide you, because here is the hole for this thing, and it's very easy to do. It jumps right in its place and there is no way you can install it in a different way. It's a very good trick, by the way.